Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best funny group costume you can get for Halloween or any costume party. The Croloose 12 Set Dry Erase Marker Costume. Whether you're a teacher looking for something fun to wear for your class or just seeking a quirky outfit to stand out at a party, this costume is sure to bring a smile to everyone's face. The Croloose 12 Set costume comes with everything you need to transform into a colorful collection of dry erase markers. Each set includes 12 vibrant marker-patterned aprons and complementary cardstock hats. The design is playful and makes for a great cohesive look when worn by a group. Imagine arriving at a Halloween party surrounded by friends, all dressed as a group of markers. It's bound to be a hit. This costume is perfect for adults of all ages, including teachers and office workers. It's a fantastic choice if you're part of a group. Think of your friends or colleagues joining forces to create a funny and memorable ensemble. The bright colors and simple design make it suitable for any setting, from school events to family gatherings, and even casual costume parties. Let's talk about the details. The aprons measure approximately 28 by 24 inches and are made from polyester, ensuring comfort and durability throughout the event. The easy-to-wear construction allows you to put it on and take it off without hassle. You'll receive assorted colors such as red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and brown, ensuring there's a color for everyone in your group. The included hats are crafted from sturdy cardboard and can be easily cut, pasted, and customized to match your outfit. This DIY element of the costume invites creativity, allowing each individual to add a personal touch. Another highlight of the Croloose Dry Erase Marker costume is its reusability. The polyester fabric is wear-resistant and easy to clean, making it a sustainable option. So, whether you want to wear it for Halloween multiple years or use it for themed events, you can definitely count on it to last. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a fun, vibrant, and memorable group costume for your next event, the Croloose 12 Set Dry Erase Marker costume should be at the top of your list. It's not just a costume, it's an experience waiting to happen. Gather your friends, add a bit of creativity, and get ready for a Halloween you won't forget. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more fun reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Stay colorful and have a fantastic Halloween, everyone.